This is the magic.
$44, man. I lost this shit. I'm so pissed.
You know how to use it. All of our works very good.
Well, about to leave.
Where else?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
See what's up inside.
How are you?
Hi, how are you doing?
Thank you so much.
What are we looking for, Zach?
So we're looking for some compound
Mm-hmm.
and most importantly some good prices. If this is not a good price, then
Well, about to leave.
where else?
This is the magic.
$44, man. I lost this shit. I'm so pissed.
How much you got it last time?
About $39 from
No big difference, but you know, still.
Well,
Alright.
this one is about, yeah.
This makes the front lights as clear as a bright day.
Starts up, star, green star. One, I just lost it. I don't know where I put it. I got this one from Harbor Freight. I have it. But I rather support a small business.
Is this your best compound? Is this the best one?
3250. Which one?
This one.
Let me tell you, you know how to use it. All of our works very good. It is a correction compound. For my husband, he thinks this is like a special brand.
This is a special brand for your husband?
Yeah, this for our dealers for body shop.
Yeah, I'm a dealer.
Okay.
So this is a correction compound. Is this one step or there's two steps?
Two steps and one.
Two in one? Okay. Correction compound. This is like for swirls and stuff like that, right?
Or other one, if you want to use correction compound, you can use this one.
Which one?
This one. I have it like that or not that one.
This is correction compound. And then what about, so I do correction and then after polishing or just this one?
Just that one.
And then no need for polishing?
No. Oh, it's up to you. It's depending on the car is.
So the car is a little bit faded because of the sun. It's not, it doesn't need paint, you just need correction.
I have different prices. This is I think this is the cheapest one. But it's a good one. Max Shine is very, very good quality. I have it for a table, one of the cheapest as well.
I have a cheap one, but it's burnt paint, I don't like it. I have a cheap one, but I don't. The one I got, it was $35 from Harbor Freight.
Oh,
But it burns
works?
paint.
It works?
It burns paint,